In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin chats on WhatsApp Web. WhatsApp Web is a fantastic tool that allows us to bring our messaging from our phone to our computer screen, providing ease and convenience for our daily communication. However, as our chat list grows, it can become a bit cluttered, making it quite hard to keep track of the most important conversations. That's where pinning comes in handy, allowing you to keep certain chats at the top of your list, ensuring they're always just a click away. First off, you need to have WhatsApp Web open in your browser. This is the web version of WhatsApp, seamlessly synced with your mobile device, allowing you to access all of your messages directly from your computer. Once you have it open, you'll notice the list of chats on the left-hand side of your screen. This list might be extensive if you're an avid chatter, which is exactly why pinning is such a useful feature. Now, to pin a chat, you'll first need to locate the chat you want to prioritize. Scroll through your list until you find it. Once you've found the chat, take a look to the right side of that chat. You'll see a small arrow pointing downward. Hover over it with your cursor and you'll see more options appear. It's essential to hover directly over this arrow as that's your entry point into the chat settings. With that small arrow in sight, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take with that chat. The option you want to focus on is Pin Chat. Clicking this will pin your selected chat to the top of your list so it doesn't get lost amid new incoming messages. And there you go. You've successfully pinned a chat on WhatsApp Web. From now on, every time you open your WhatsApp Web, you should see your pinned chats right at the top, no matter how many new messages you receive. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain organization and ensure your most important conversations are always accessible. If you ever decide to unpin a chat, the process is just as straightforward. Simply revisit the chat, click the drop-down arrow again, and choose the Unpin Chat option. This will return the chat to its regular position in your chat list, allowing for flexibility as your priorities change. Pinning chats can significantly streamline your communication, particularly if you regularly interact with a select group of contacts. So, take advantage of this nifty feature of WhatsApp Web, and keep your chat list organized and efficient. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.